We are at Sugarland Valley Nature Trail. It's the ADA trail, half mile. If you want to see the Smokies, but you're in a wheelchair, use a walker, canes, walking stick, anything like that, it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 handicap parking places for you. It's all flat, get right in. It's half mile, 0.7 kilometers. The whole elevation gain is almost 31 feet. Go out, loop around. This little creek, you don't know there's a bridge there until you bend down here and look. Then you go along the river, and there's a couple home sites. Let's go for a walk. I am injured from a car accident, van accident, fell asleep, destroyed the van, and now I'm walking with a cane. I was walking with a cane before that, but now I have a back brace also until about the 29th of March. Then I get reevaluated by my spine doctor. I either continue to wear it some more or I'm free from it. Oh my gosh! Oh, we're in trouble. Gotta back up. See the face? You always got to check in and let them know you're here. And then you check out. That way they don't have a ranger down here after dark making sure there isn't somebody injured. I'm funning you. But that's me. I just like to be that way. I think we're going to follow the creek side on the way back. Because I think we went the creek side the last 2 times. So we just do it a little different. Real nice sturdy bridge. Nice, we got some nice benches here. Very nice benches. Some wood, some concrete. And they're positioned where if you're in a wheelchair, you can park beside of it. And sit like Gina and I would do. She'd sit in the wheelchair and I'd sit and we'd hold hands. Some of the best times I had with my beautiful sweetheart was right here, hiking the Smokies together. She was either in a manual chair or a power chair, but we were doing it together. That's what couples, husbands and wives, boyfriend, girlfriend, do. They do things together. They find a way. And we did. She liked to hike. I liked to hike. We found out she liked to camp. I liked to camp. 100% disabled, but she was hiking and camping. Never let it slow her down. And now I've got a T11 and a L3 vertebrae that were fractured. They're healing up. So I'm in here, just about the only trail in the Smokies other than the Gatlinburg Trail, and I got to be careful with that one, that I can be on. The spine doctor and I discussed plans, our future plans for me. And I go, I'm a hiker, I want to be able to see spring flowers. He says, you do everything like you're supposed to. By the time spring flowers are blooming in the Smokies, on on the Gatlinburg Trail. This trail, he named them off, that I will be able to do them. And we were looking at the middle of March. This is Friday the 13th. I'm on the trails in the Smokies. I'm doing good. This is a fabulous trail. The only thing that you do not get here on this trail is the great overlooks. Going up 441 to Newfound Gap, Morton Overlook, you can get them. You can step out of your car. With Gina, I just slide the van door open and set her up, and she'd look out. Yep, got her views. She was happy. See, you can run. You can park your wheelchair there, close enough, close enough. Your sweetie can sit with you, hold hands, rest, talk, and you're off the trail. I'm going to say that they cut down the least number of trees that they needed to in order to put this trail in. Remember I told you there's a home site? Rock fence. First strange noise. Big pile of rocks. Saved up. Well, I heard something in that tree. You can always hear the birds. Never see them. Fabulous here. 441 is right over there. Not much traffic on the 13th of Friday in the Smokies. Been a nice day travel-wise. Another one of those fine benches. So you know, you are in the Smokies. You are in the wilderness, even though you got a nice concrete trail to walk right on. You are in the wilderness. Last year, I don't remember, somewhere around the middle of the month, middle of the year, I'm thinking about over in here in this section. I was coming up to one of the areas you can go down to the river, and a bear came up it. Yeah, you're in the wilderness here. There's bear here. There's hogs. Probably coyotes, deer, skunks, raccoons, possums, snakes, the bad kind, copperheads, rattlesnakes, the good kind, black snakes, all kinds of spiders, insects. You're in the wilderness. They have bear come downtown Gatlinburg and wander around at times. See some of the cars over there on 441. This is beautiful. This is a holly tree. I do not know which variegation of it is, but it's a holly tree. They didn't make the trail straight. They made it like a trail. You'll wander through the beautiful timbers of the Smokies here. There's nothing for you to stumble over other than your own feet. See how the trail wanders? That's how trails are anywhere else in the Smokies. They did a good job here. I do not know when this trail became available, the first day, what year, month, day of the month, stuff like that. I do not know that. I just know that the whole 36 and a half years that Gina and I were married, this was here, because we were here. Anytime we came up here, we were on this trail. She liked it, I liked it. We're at the loop end of it, where we're going to loop back and head back towards the van. We're going to pick up the creek. Let's see if I can get a halfway decent view of the, okay. 441. You see the little shoulders of the bridge. You don't know there's a big bridge underneath of that thing. You're going over this nice creek. It's warm enough temperature-wise. The bears could be coming out looking for a snack. The thing is to make sure you're not the snack, then go to McDonald's. Get a Happy Meal. I'm going to be an unhappy meal if a bear decides to eat me. I can't outrun him now. Couldn't outrun him anyway. They put this little place in. This is fabulous. Gina loved coming here. Butterflies would be down in that area. She loved looking at the butterflies. She loved looking at the river over there. That's the Little Pigeon River. Fabulous. The people that was in the process of designing the Smokies and making it accessible for everybody did a good job here. Gina enjoyed this section as I do. This is a nice section of the Little Pigeon River that you can see. The Gatlinburg Trail. This runs right beside the Gatlinburg Trail. It's a little chilly down in here. The sun hasn't got down here and warmed the air up down in here. There are some places you can't go wheelchair-wise, but you can make your way down to the river carefully. How about this one? You can park here. Some nice views. You can navigate this, not in a wheelchair, of course. Uh, I'm not going to try to navigate it. I'm not that strong yet. There's a lot of trip routes right there. This is one of the trails that they keep open. They keep an eye on it. Make sure there's nothing blocking. See, we were just there on the riverside. You can loop around. Got a cane. Walk down. That's good. You can run your wheelchair around and sit here with your sweetie. Absolutely fabulous. Placards, read them. Remember, I pointed out the fence. Trails right over. Trails right over there. I'm hoping the next time I'm on this trail, I will be free from this back brace. And I'll be able to go anywhere I want to go. Yeah, I've been down there. Beautiful here. Absolutely beautiful. Sugarland Nature Trail, the ADA trail, family friendly. You want to go for a walk with your kids? Put them in the stroller. Let's go. The kids can walk to half mile. Nice little walk, smooth, like that couple that passed us. She's got one kid walking, and she's got one that she's carrying. Doable here. This is the trail for you. Well, I want to go to Mount LeConte. You're not going in a stroller or a walker. Cane, wheelchair. You're not going there. That's a different trail. But this trail is everybody. Anybody can use this trail. I think there's one in North Carolina at the other end of this. Uh-oh. It started. Spring has started. Uh-huh. It started. Rhododendrons. This is an old home site here. Fireplace in the kitchen. It's in the placards telling about it. It's a hazard. Starting to fall apart. They don't take things down necessarily, they let it fall. This one here, you can drive a wheelchair all the way around it. They put a safety fence up so you won't end up down there. There was another house here. Sometimes they build houses. Mom and dad build a house, and then the son gets married and they build another house for him on the same property. Amish families are like that, as I understand it. I don't know if it's the son property, the dad son property, or the dad daughter property that gets the house. Trilliums. This is a great place for trilliums and showy orchards. Orchids. Showy orchids are here. Don't forget, you got to check out. That way they know you're not here and they don't have to send a ranger down after dark. I'm funning. Oh yeah, whenever I'm here and I wear a hat, I have an aluminum cap underneath my hat so they don't control me. I'm just pleased to be able to be in the Smokies hiking again. It's a walk, but it's a hike. See you next time.